How to add your YouTube channel link to Roblox profile in 2025. First of all, open YouTube in your browser or app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Select View Channel. Tap on the three dot at the top right corner. Select Share. Click Copy Link. Go back on your home screen. Open the Roblox app on your phone or web browser and log in to your account. Tap on the More icon in the bottom right corner of the screen and then scroll down and go to Settings. Tap on Account Info again. Scroll at the way down and here you will see the section of Social Network. You will find Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Twitch and Guild. If you want to share your YouTube video, you are off, simply click on this section over here and then paste your YouTube link. After that, scroll down. You can also set its visibility. Hope on everyone and then click on Save. Now return to your main page of your Roblox account and then click on your profile name and you should see the YouTube icon indicating that you are successfully added your YouTube account. And that's it. Now your YouTube channel link is live on your Roblox profile. This is a great way to promote your channel and connect with your Roblox friend or followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.